bathroom makeover was the highlight of my house at the time. In fact, I recorded this transformation a couple years ago, I'd say. But I had no purpose. I just recorded because I wanted to save the whole beginning to the end project. Anyways, this is a bathroom makeover, powder room, half bathroom, whatever you have at home. If you live in a rental like I do, this is the go-to transformation. I hope you will like it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks. This is my bathroom before. No doorknobs, no mirror frame, no cute bathroom curtain. So my inspiration was this tassel from that beach bag. And I had this yard or so of fabric that I had to sew in the middle to make sure it would fit throughout the whole window, and just sew all the corners of this fabric. I used some double tape, placed the tassel on top, simple as like that, as you can see, and used the strap that was left from the fabric just to place it over. That's how it looked after. And I thought that they looked pretty cute. I made a hole on this wood. Make sure you get a proper measurement for your wood, and make a pocket on the top of the fabric, because you want that pocket to insert the piece of wood inside. Get any leather strap that you may have at home and place it through the hole. And that will be to support the curtain. After that being done, make sure you tie it properly, and voila, that's the final result for that curtain. So now we're jumping onto the handles. I drilled 3 holes in this cabinet and placed my vintage knobs on them. Last but not least, the frame for the mirror. I went to Home Depot, chose the wood, had the guys cut it, and placed throughout all 4 corners of the mirror. Simple like that. Now let's take a look at the bathroom before and now the bathroom after.